Welcome students in today's economics class. I hope you all are fine. Today we start with economics chapter number 9, money market and capital market in India. These two words, money market and capital market, I hope you must be aware of them. Now let's see what we are going to learn new in this chapter. Next we'll go, what is money? Money means paying for something or buying for something. Coins and notes are the examples of money. Different countries are used to express the value of commodity in different countries. Example, rupee in India, dollar in USA, pound in UK, yen in Japan. Next, we'll go importance of money. Students, why money is important? Money is an essential commodity that helps you run your life. Without money, you cannot buy anything you wish. The most important functions of money as a medium of exchange. Any commodity can be purchased or sold for money. Income and expenditure of all kinds, assets and liabilities are in terms of money as a unit of account. Students, money being the lifeblood of a modern economy. Its circular flow gives a clean picture of the economy. Students, trees, plants are helpful for our living. They make our living comfortable. Similarly, money also make our living comfortable because money is important in this fast generation. Next topic is introduction of finance. Students, finance means to provide the money to pay for something. Finance is the backbone of an economy to the management of money. It includes funds needed by individuals, business houses, and the government for various purposes. Finance means will provide a basic of how the finance sector in general works in India. Financial services are accounts like checking accounts, saving accounts, investments, as well as credit and loans for homes, cars, personal and business needs. Students, if I want money, but I am not having it, so I will give my gold jewelries to Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance, he is financer and he will give me respective cash according my gold or jewelries. Next topic is finance categorized. There is a diagram which show finance categorized are three important categories: personal finance, corporate finance, and public finance. Now here, explanation of finance categorized. Personal finance is a term managing your money as well as saving and investing. Students, money comes and goes. It just doesn't stick to anyone. So dealing with both incoming and outgoing money. Finance that includes budgeting, saving, expenses, planning, and financial protection. Students, even if your parents earn rupees 40,000 salary every month, they can still be living in loan if they don't plan for the income. Personal finance helps you to understand how much you earn, what are your monthly expenses, and help you to budget within that income. Corporate finance is important for planning finance, capital raising, investments, and financial monitoring. It means corporate finance includes the activities involved with a corporation's financing, investment, and capital budgeting decisions. In corporate finance, there are two types: equity financing and debt financing. Students, public finance of taxes collected by government include sales tax, income tax, estate tax, and property tax. It means tax collection, expenditures, national debt, national budget. These are all components of public finance. Next topic is the Indian financial system. The financial system of the country is responsible for the mobilization and allocation of resources or funds. It helps in creation of wealth, which is important for the economic development of the country. The financial system of an economy provides the way to collect money from the people who have it and distribute it to those who can use it. Best financial system. Service provided by financial institution, which includes banks, insurance companies, pension fund, organized exchanges, and many economic transactions. Next topic is the Indian financial system. Indian financial system, there are four components. First one is a financial institution. The example of a financial institution is bank. People with surplus amounts of money make savings in their accounts, and people need of money to take loans. For example, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, etc. Second one is student, it's financial market. The marketplace where buyers and sellers interact with each other and participate in the trading of money, bonds, shares, and other assets is called financial market. For example, stock market, capital market, foreign exchange market, and money market. Third example is student, financial instruments. Instrument means tool. Financial instrument means is a contract between two parties. We can create, trade, or modify them. We can also settle them. A financial instrument may be evidence of ownership part of something, as in stocks and shares. Financial instrument is an assets or packages of capital that we can trade. For example, bonds, equity shares, government securities, etc. Fourth one is financial services. They helps to get the required funds and also make sure that they are efficiently invested. For example, banking service, insurance service, investment service, foreign exchange service. Next topic is there meaning of financial market. Students, financial markets are an important component of the financial system. Financial market means a market where sale and purchase of financial assets such as bonds, stocks, government securities, foreign currency. The financial markets functions are banks, non-banking, financial institution, brokers, mutual funds, discounts. Students, there are two types of financial markets. First, money market and second, capital market. So students, today we are going to study about money market. Money market is a market for lending and borrowing of short-term funds. It is market for near money, that is short-term instruments as trade bills, government securities, promissory notes. These instruments are less risk and easily marketable with maturity period of 1 year or less than 1 year. Next we'll go financial instruments. First, bonds. Second, equity shares. Third, derivatives. Fourth, government securities. Fifth, trade bills. And sixth, promissory notes. Next is going to weigh one by one explanation about the financial instruments. First, bonds. Bonds means to debt or loan instruments issued by companies or the government as a means of borrowing long-term loans or funds. Here it is one advertisement. The RBI means Reserve Bank of India, has bought rupees 163 crore of government bonds during COVID-19. Second instrument is equity share. Refer to shares of a company held by an individual or group. Equity share is main source of finance for any company giving invest right to vote share profits. Next instrument is derivatives. Derivatives means a forward, future, option or any other contract of predetermined fixed duration. Derivatives means product value is derived from value of assets, can be equity, commodity or any other assets. Example, Sensex means financial security which derives its value or price from the bonds, stocks, currency, interest rates and commodities. Next instrument is government security. Government securities is a bond or other type of loan that is issued by a government with promise of repayment upon the security maturity date. Trade bills. Trade bills means a time draft or bill of exchange becoming a trade acceptance when signed by an acceptor. Means bill of exchange drawn on and accepted by a trader in payment of goods. This is the diagram of bill of exchange. Next instrument is promissory notes. This is a picture of promissory note. Promissory note is a financial instrument that contains a written promise by one party to pay another party with sum of money either on demand or specific future date. So students, today's video was about money market in India. In this video, we have done money, importance of money, finance, Indian financial system, finance categorized, financial market in India, money market in India, financial instruments. So students, we will meet soon with next video. Take care of yourself, your parents, your friends, your relatives and your neighbor also. Thank you.